Do you also want to get trained and certified in CCNP Cisco Enterprise ENCOR 350401? Then let's talk today about this highly recognized training and certification and how it can boost your networking career. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates related to IT training and certifications. My name is Lisa, and I am a professional education counselor with an IT background. So, let's start exploring the CCNP Cisco Enterprise ENCOR 350401 training and certification and everything you need to know about it. CCNP Cisco Enterprise ENCOR 350401 is a highly valued training and certification program for IT professionals looking to advance their careers in networking. This training focuses on core enterprise networking technologies, including dual-stack architecture, virtualization, infrastructure, network assurance, security, and automation. It serves as the foundational exam for the CCNP Enterprise certification and is also required for those pursuing CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure or CCIE Enterprise Wireless. By completing this training, you will gain expertise in configuring and managing enterprise networks, understanding network automation, implementing advanced security solutions, and optimizing network performance. The CCNP ENCOR 350401 training is designed for network engineers, system administrators, and IT professionals who want to specialize in enterprise networking. This training and certification will help you develop hands-on skills in routing, switching, troubleshooting, and securing network infrastructures, making you a valuable asset to organizations looking for skilled networking professionals. The exam for CCNP ENCOR 350401 consists of multiple-choice and scenario-based questions that test your ability to implement core networking solutions. It is recommended that candidates have at least 3 to 5 years of experience working with enterprise networking solutions before taking this training and certification exam. The training covers topics like Layer 3 technologies, VPN services, network automation, and infrastructure security, ensuring that you are fully prepared for real-world networking challenges. Once you pass the ENCOR 350401 exam, you can specialize further by choosing a concentration exam in areas like network design, automation, SD-WAN, or wireless networking, allowing you to tailor your certification to your career goals. Many professionals take this training and certification to enhance their job prospects, as CCNP-certified individuals are in high demand worldwide. With this certification, you can apply for roles like network engineer, systems engineer, network administrator, and even senior-level IT positions in networking. Now, let's talk about salaries. In the United States, CCNP-certified professionals earn competitive salaries based on their experience and job roles. According to industry reports, the average salary for a CCNP-certified network engineer is around $90,000 to $120,000 per year. For more senior positions like network architects or network security engineers salaries can range from $120,000 to $150,000 per year. In major tech hubs like San Francisco, New York, and Seattle salaries can be even higher, reaching $160,000 or more for experienced professionals. Several factors affect salary, including location, experience, additional skills like cloud networking, and the type of company you work for. Large enterprises and tech firms often offer higher salaries compared to smaller businesses. If you have strong expertise in automation and network security along with your CCNP, you can demand even better salary packages. So, this was all about the CCNP Cisco Enterprise ENCOR 350401 training and certification. If you are serious about advancing your networking career, this training and certification is a great step forward. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on IT training and certifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.